so it's going to be a good day out in this boat, but instead I think I'll just jump on this. Yeah, careful you don't pull your back out, mate. Those the bags are quite heavy, eh?
Yeah. Oh my lord.
Oh, come on, mate. I mean, I've been on some boats, but this is just another level, eh? Have some breakfast there, even a TV. There's Luke, he's just checking out the fishing space. What do you reckon, mate?
Oh, not bad, eh? Not bad.
Just gonna fill her up.
Here.
Don't even want to know what the gas bill's gonna be.
You'll see.
Mate, it's all jigs today,
bro.
mate. Nice. Just had to do a quick pit stop at the supermarket, get some bait.
Beers, mate.
Oh, beers apparently. Beers and bait. Run with that. What do you got going?
Do you wish to continue? Kia ora, welcome to New World Self-Checkout.
Very welcoming. Better not forget the camera. Are we all set, Captain?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Ready to rock? Ready to have a good day, mate?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, mate. Hey, mate. Cut the chit chat, eh? Got a kayaker out there. Work up, work up.
Get a couple of mates on, mate.
Nah, mate, lures. You got it out? What's up, mate? Did you get a hit?
Nah, no hits.
Yeah, out of gear.
Is it a silver lure? They're healthy, Hey, the drift's perfect to what we
Work it, yeah. You on, boy?
Oh yeah.
Boys. Yeah, boys.
Let's go.
We are on. While the boys are pulling in Terrakee, I'm going to go for a jig. Oh yeah, boy.
That's a goodie.
Oh yeah. South Coast tickers.
Nice theory. Oh, yeah.
They get bigger than that.
The donkeys, man. Donkeys. Scales, eh? So you can push them hold on.
Yeah. You're in, boy. Let's go, boys. Yeah, boy.
Get into it, son. Can you?
That looks very tin fishy.
What do you got? Good. You wanna G it again? Oh,
King Cat. Oh, it's all on here. It's all on. Nice kingy. All on here. It is all on. Palliser Bay, turning it on. Oh,
Berry, mate.
bloody berry, bro.
Let's go, Johnny boy.
Like the rolling, bro.
Ah, mate, that's Cuda, Mr. Cuda berry, using the 400 grams deep contact. Ling or a cod? Red cod.
Red cod.
Red cod, mate.
Dirty shark.
You reckon? Elementus doing its job. What the hell?
Skate.
Skate. Get out of it.
Later, mate.
Here, buddy. SPJ. Let's get some.
About 12 lines.
Oh, nice one, bro. Beautiful. Off the ground, eh?
Yeah, it's about 12 lines off.
Loving that jig, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, going good? It's going good. How you in, mate? Did I cross you? Like I better bloody be careful out here, mate. Be going for a swim. That is definitely a livey. The world's smallest barracuda going, man.
Holy shit. Yeah. Kingfish. Oh, kingfish.
Whatever it is, it just woke up. Another kingy. The 400 gram deep contact jig. Okay. Beautiful conditions. Magic. Look at the scenery. Nice hooker. John didn't catch it, but
Mine was the size.